right, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the page and SEO settings within your Showit site. This is an often overlooked step, but it's super important, especially if you want to start getting a lot of traffic to your website and start getting more potential customers. So make sure you follow along. So within each page of your Showit website, you will have over to the right, you can see as I click through, I have page info, page background, animation, and SEO settings. And in your SEO settings, you want to make sure that you fill this out. So your page title, for example, this is our about page, might be about us, and that would be what someone sees at the top of the browser window when they open up this page, and it would just say your website and it would say about us at the top. And it helps Google to sort of understand the navigation and how your website is laid out. It's super important to make sure that these things are done and taken care of before you launch your website, because that is how Google is going to help you rank, which means that's how you're going to help be able to show up at the top of Google in the search settings when someone searches for your name or services that you offer or something like that. The next thing that you're going to want to do is meta description, and this is really important as well. This tells somebody what your website is about and what your page is about. So when you Google something, if you've noticed, if you Google rain boots for cats, for example, maybe there is a shop that sells rain boots for cats. And before you click on it within Google, there's a description of the page, and that is what this is. It's called the meta description. And you will need to fill it out for each page, and you'll want to accurately describe what your page is. So for example, this might be rain boots for cats, about our company and our story, or something like that. And you would leave it, usually a meta description is around 150 characters or so, but try not to worry too much about it. Just make sure you fill this in. If you don't fill it in, Google will fill it in for you. The last SEO setting is going to be your share image, and this is what it will look like if you grab the link of your website, the actual home page or about page, the URL of that page, and send it either in a text message or share it on social media. If you've noticed when you've done that in the past, there's usually an image that goes with it, and that is how you're going to set it right here. So if you click choose image, your media settings will follow up, and you will be able to pick the image that you want for each page. So maybe your about page would be a picture of your company or you, maybe your services would be a picture of something relating to your services and things like that. So you'll want to go through each page on your website and make sure you go through the page settings and the SEO settings to do all of that.